What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin, back at it. Here in the garden, I'm gonna start shutting it down for the season, cut out the tomatoes, and start getting ready to lay compost on the soil so I can go ahead and create a nice growing medium for next season. There we go. Okay, here I go after the green/red peppers. Ooh, baby. Check that out. Son of a gun. The sunflower got knocked down. I think the squirrels got them. Okay, so now I'm going to start clearing out these sunflowers. Seeing that they were good, trying to get after him, I'll just cut it off and leave it for him. And then I'll add this to the compost pile. Okay, peppers are coming out next. I might try something with the jalapeno pepper plant. This is my current dilemma. The garden's in shade because of that tree. Where the pool used to be is all sun. So I may start migrating into the sun here a little bit. I just don't know. Time for the tomatoes to come out. Off the cherry tomatoes. This was one of the best tomato plants we've had this season. Yeah, it's going in the compost. This one, and this one over here were the ones that I planted from seed. They did decent. I got some good turnout from them, even though they were a little later. The cucumbers are pretty much done, But man, they went ahead, they grew all in the pine trees. So I'm going to get whatever little bit I can get out of there. Well, that's why I was pulling on it. I ended up getting this out of the tree. Okay, so there were 2 cucumbers hanging out in the trees, and then these 2 little ones. I got all the tomatoes pulled up. I removed as much of the cucumbers vines as I could, and then I will chop all this up and add it to the compost. Hey, don't forget, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you think, how your garden went this season, if you did one. I'm planning on leaving the green bean up for now. Once they turn yellow like this on the vine, that should mean that I should have a good viable seed for next season. Still have radishes in the ground. My peas, they didn't do as well. When I planted them, it was still very hot out, so they ended up getting a lot of heat stress. I still have some lettuce. Get some of that out of there. This was a mixed green lettuce that I added here, and then Boston Bib that I planted here. All in all, I think the season went really well. I'm going to remove all the garden fabric and add compost to the whole garden. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day.